Hi, welcome back. So today we're going to talk a little bit about what happens if you have confidential information that you don't want to be included in public record. I'm Anna Fernandez. I'm an attorney here in Miami, and I've been practicing for about 10 years. And I'm so happy that you found my channel. We have a lot of good stuff and information to provide to you. And of course, if you have questions, please reach out to us so we can create content to better serve you. So most cases, at least every family case, requires people to file, or the parties to the action to file, what's called a required information sheet. Now, in this sheet, you have they request for your social security number. So that in itself should be protected as confidential, because you don't want people knowing your social security number and risk, having your identity stolen, and you know the list goes on. So that's just an example of what would be protected as part if you did file a notice of confidential information within a court filing. So filing a required information sheet requires you to list all this information. And when you file that with the court, you're going to attach, or you're going to file together concurrently with that required information sheet, another document that's called Notice of Filing Confidential Information Within a Court Filing. In that document, you're going to let the court know, hey, I am filing this required information sheet, or whatever the document may be. And in that document, there's a social security number, which is protected pursuant to Florida Rules of Administration 2.420. So keep this in mind, because anything you file with the court will most likely be accessible to the public through the Clerk of Courts. Of course, there are several protection or several cases where you won't see, or that are concealed. For example, if you have a criminal case that you may have gotten expunged, I know that there are cases involving like juvenile or dependency that has a minor child listed as a main party. Well, a lot of those cases may be confidential and won't be accessible to the public. But family cases, a typical everyday divorce or something simplified, will most likely be available. So you want to make sure that you file this notice of confidential information within a court filing, together with whatever document that you're providing to the court containing confidential information. Now, once it's filed, what will happen is the Clerk of Courts will actually redact that portion that is protected. So you will be able to access the required information sheet or whatever document, but your social security number will be redacted. And so it will kind of look like a regular document, and a black whiteout. So if you have any questions at all, please reach out to us, let us know so we can create content to help better serve you. Have an awesome day.